女士们、先生们，欢迎您乘坐和谐号动车组列车。我代表动车组全体乘务人员向您问好，祝您旅行愉快。列车前方到站是南京车站。女士们、先生们，本次列车是绿色环保无烟列车，车内设有烟雾报警器。为了您和他人的乘车安全，请不要在车上任何区域内吸烟。放置在行李架上的行李，请确认已摆放稳妥，以免物品坠落砸伤自己或其他旅客。为了保持车内设备设施功能良好，请您在使用时多加爱护。感谢您的合作。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Harmony. I would like to send our regards to you on behalf of all the crew members of this train. Wish you have a pleasant journey. The next station is Nanjing Station. Ladies and gentlemen, you are taking is a green smoke-free train. It's equipped with smoke detector. For your and others' travel safety, please do not smoke within any area in the train. Please make sure your luggage on the luggage rack has been laid safely so as not to fall out of the rack and hurt yourself and other passengers. For keeping the equipment and facilities in a good function, please be considerate when you use them. Thanks for your cooperation.